Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today you are going to learn a super easy technique of how to import data from PDF file. This exciting feature is available in Excel 2021 or Office 365, which are latest trending Microsoft spreadsheet softwares. So if you are new to watching this video lecture, please do subscribe now and we'll start a lecture. Okay, so before going to initiating to importing concept, see, we need to go to start Excel software spreadsheet from our computer system. So go to, I'm using Windows operating system, which is the latest one. Here when I press Windows button or start button, you just type here simply Excel. Yes, you need to learn or you need to practice in your way this Excel spreadsheet software or Microsoft Office 365 login. You should already have it in your computer system, which is the latest one of 2021 Excel software. So here, once you are having this software, you just go through, just simply type Excel and open this Excel app. So it is initiating. Now I am taking like a blank workbook, very super easily. It's a blank workbook I am chosen. Now my software, like a Excel spreadsheet software, I have opened sheet 1. Everything is ready to start the step-by-step process of importing like a PDF file. So here, before initiating this lecture, I am ready with the PDF file with the data. So the data which is having this is the PDF, like you may observe here where my file is opened. So XLSX is an extension which is converted into PDF. .pdf means it's a PDF file. So if you don't know what type of format it is, go to the file and right click, go to the properties of a file, and here you just observe type of file, which is the file name which is ends with .pdf. Got it? So the PDF file is nothing but which cannot be editable or modified file. So how to import such data into our Excel spreadsheet to making more charts or analysis or making any of the thing which you want to play. So let's see. Close this file, go back to here, and here all you need to take is steps. A very keenly important. These are the steps, from the menu items you have to go for data. You have to go for data first. Then here there is an icon like a get and transform data provision, the category. This whole thing will be called as a ribbon. So from this category of get and transforming data, here it is a get data icon is there. You just simply click to enable and expand the menu item. So here you may observe from file. Yes, different type of file formats are supporting Excel nowadays, and this lecture we mainly focusing here, see, from PDF. So once you select and click here, import data from a PDF document, this feature and the option is available in Office 365 or Excel 2021. So click on from PDF. See, you will get what immediately you will get from PDF one we are given. It will automatically ask you to import your PDF file where it is located. So my file is located at desktop. In my computer system, it may differ from your computer system and where the file is located. And select the file which PDF you want to import over here. Once you click import option, what it will do? See, the navigator is enabled. So the navigator is enabled, and the file, you may see the file name, it is coming, and it is like a table 1, table 2 or 3 pages it is showing. Either how you want, you can select the option. So table 1 it is taking almost, for instance of example, in my document is having 100 records, 100 rows of records. What it is doing, see, first table it is taking up to 50 records, and the second table it is going to be taking after 52 remaining 99 records it is going to be taking. and I'm not doing anything. It's like a preview only. It's like a preview only. All the columns it is defining, and the column and row wise it is showing a preview how it would be. If you need to select multiple items, you select here like an entire PDF file you want to be import at one time. You need to select in this way. Select multiple items and select the 2 tables at a time. Or else if you want like a page wise, you select the page wise. See, 3 pages it is taking. So the remain 1 page only, like it is there. If you want to collect like a page wise, like a 3 pages it will comes. Got it? So I am going with the easiest way to import tables. Selected 2 tables. You can click here to load the data. There is an option. Easily you can load it. Or transform data. You can use to transform directly. Okay. So I am choosing like clicking and load. Very simple and super easy step I am taking here. So it's a taking to importing all the data by reading Excel predefined things. So let's see that 49 rows is loaded, and here you may see like another 2 tables we have selected. No, 2 things are here. If you double click here, you will get like a Power Query editor immediately. I have only loaded the data to see if any corrections may needed here, we can do it. If not, see here is a left option, simply close and load. Close and load. Similarly here also you will get in a data directly, and you can see here and close. Like if you need any previews, you can load it and close and load it. So the 2 queries of data, see the connections is nothing but how the external sheet is connected to this particular item. So complete data is getting here and it is loaded. Now we'll do one thing. Just I'm closed. I'll take another step now. From file, PDF, select the PDF file. Directly this time I'm not doing loading, just I'm trying to doing transform data. Transform data. So the tables which are coming here and selected both, like these are the first one or earlier one, these are the 2. Load and close. Load and close. Directly when I am using the transform, it's loaded into my, this is the first one and this is the second table. If you need like later, you may, once the Excel sheet is having a data, means you can do any wonders with your ease. So from this, by selecting, you can make it the flash, like if you want to make it colors, if you want to make it icons, greater than or less than colors, or any charts. You may play with wonders by having in your controlled environment data. If you feel this video lecture is useful and getting PDF to data is super easy, if you understood, please do subscribe now and make sure to comment any of your views. Thank you.